Good afternoon from beautiful England in the Surrey Hills, where it is looking absolutely lovely today. One of the few good days we get, and there's only a few clouds in the sky, that's okay. But this is the car that we're here to talk about, Audi RSQ8, with the very first Quicksilver Sound Architect sports exhaust system. And 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, I think. And you're going to sound pretty good doing it with our amazing system on it, which basically comes out the original factory outlets. If you can move the weeds, you can just about see. Valves each side, does the business when you hit the drive select button on the wheel. So enough for me, let's get to it. So yeah, very civilized sound, I'd say.
Yeah, it is. It is.
On the inside.
It's perfect,
and
really.
the outside. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you need any more information, there should be a link below as well. We'll get back to you with any of your queries. Yeah, the amazing new Quicksilver exhaust system on this brand new Audi RSQ8. Got that right this time, I think. RSQS8, Audi Q... Oh, what is it? Otherwise, yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. See you around. That's all. Alright, I have definitely got enough stuff. We're out of here.